Kodak Portra ISO 160. And here is one metal part that I have to. Here's now written 12, and it should be 0. Okay, now it's on 0. Set. And here is one red dot. I can close it, close, and up. And now I'm just rolling until I get to the number 1. Okay, number 1. So let's shoot some film. Here I am in church. I'll try to find some good motives. And here is 1/10 of the second. I'll go 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 2.8. Okay. Oh, I'll try to light some candles. In Slovenia we will say ima se, može se. We have, so we can do it. So lights are on. I have to cock it. Why is not working? Maybe I have to. I didn't yank it to the end. Now it's stopped. No, now it will work, I hope. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, I made it. I have here at the side altar reliquies of our saint. Actually, it's not saint, it's kind of in the process to become a saint. He is now bludgeoning. I don't know how to say this in English. But yeah, here's something inside from Anton Martin Slomšek, where Germany, Linhof, ISO 160, f2.8, and I need 1.6 second. I'll try 1 second. This viewfinder, I think is really lovely. 1, 2. Okay, so I have third shot here. 1/8 of the second. ISO 160 f2.8. Yes. And here's 8. So this means 1/8 of a second, and aperture is here 2.8. It's hard to do anything without chair because I have to look at from above. And if you see, everything is turning around. Here the bell is on the right and action is on the left. So I'll try to make one picture. And now I have one shot here on the left side altar. Here is little flowers lit from this window. I think it's nice. And I wanna make one picture of this ceiling. Okay, I will try half second. So try to find where these lights are being turned on. What we have here. Yeah, I think this is the way. Half of the second. Or try to focus on the door. 2, 1. Okay, we have next shot. I think it's number 7. Sun here is blazing through, and to the side here is one door with glass on it, and I think it's interesting competition. So let's try it. Okay, I think I have next shot. These benches are really nice. Meter is telling me again half of the second. Sun is pouring down the light to this part of the bench, and I think it's gonna be an awesome picture. Reading 1/8 of a second, but I put it 1/30 of the second because I was exposing to the highlights. So now we are outside. Meter is telling me 1/500th of the second. I hope you see something. Oh yeah, here it is. I'm gonna follow. F15th of the second, F11. 1. So I think this is it. Last shot, Virgin Mary, f2.8, 1/30th of the second, Mamiya C300, and this is this frame. Yeah. Yeah, and it's 12 o'clock. I think I'm here 3 hours. Times fly. Can't believe it. Dun, 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 dun.